Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. In today's video we will solve 2024 AMC 12A problems. Problem 1 is solved in the previous video. You will find the link in the description. Now in this video we will solve problem 2. If you have not subscribed Math Solver 1117, subscribe Math Solver 1117 because on this channel you will find the complete solution for AMC. Now the problem 2 is model used to estimate the time to hike the top of the mountain is T equals AL plus BG, where A and B are the constants and T is time in minutes. L is the length of the trail in miles and G is the altitude gain in feet. The model estimates that if we take 69 minutes, time is given 69 minutes to hike the top of a trail, that is length is 1.5 miles and ascends 80 feet. So as well as if the length is 1.2 miles long, it will ascend 1100 feet. How many minutes does the model estimate it will take to hike the top of the trail of 4.2 long and 4000 feet? You have to find the value of time and the length is given for 1100 and 4.2. Now options are 240, 246, 252, 258 and 264. So we will solve this question step by step. First of all, we will substitute the values in the original one. That is T equal AL plus BG. So we will get the set of two equations. It means 69 equals 1.5A plus 800B. For the other set, time is same, 69 1.2A plus 1100B. Now solving these two equations, we will get the value of A and B. So since we have this is called equation 1 and this is called equation 2. Now from equation 1, we will get the value of B, that will be 69 minus 1.5A divided by 800, that equals B. So substitute this value in the other one. So 69 equal 1.2A plus 1100 into 6.9, 69 minus 1.5A divided by 800. So we get 69 multiply 800, that equals 1.2A multiply 800 plus 1100 into 69 minus 1.5A into 1100. Now we will simplify this. So we get, when we remove this decimal, it will 10, so 0 is cancelled. So 12 8s are, we will multiply 12 8s are 8 2s are 16, 8 1s are 8, 9 6. So we get 9 6 and then this is 80, so 0 A. Then 1100 multiply 69, so we will solve this here. 69 multiply 11, 9696. So this will be 759. So this will be 759. So we have 759 plus 759 and here we multiply 69 into 800. 8 sevens are 72, 8 six are 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. So 552 and 2 zeros. So we will solve this further here. 55200 equals 960A and plus 759. It will be subtracted here. 55200. So minus 759. So it will become 759, because 69 when multiplied by 11, when we multiply 69 by 11, we have get 759, that equal 960A. Now we will subtract 55200, 759, 10 minus 9 1, so 9 minus 5 4, then 1, 11 minus 7 is 4, 4 and 5. So we get 54. So it will become equals 54 equal 960. So it will become, now we will divide this. So after solving this of A, we will get the value of A and B as, this will be 264. So by solving this, we have get the value of A is 30 and the value of B is 3 by 100. Now using the given length, that is 4.2, we will substitute the values in this equation. That T equals A is 30 into 4.2 plus B is 3 by 100 into G, that is given. He said that find at the 4000. So by solving this, we will get, by simplifying, it will become 10. So 0 and 0 are cancel out. 42 into 3s are 126. Plus 0 and 0 are cancel out. 40 into 3, 4 into 3 is 12. So it will become 246. This will be the answer. So the right option is this one, 246. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve the problem 3 from 2024 AMC 12A problem set. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned for learning mathematics daily.